Hi guys, it's Tuesday and I wanted to share the March 2020 Hip Kit Club main kit and cardstock add-on. I always get the cardstock add-on because I've just really been enjoying cardstock. So I think that this kit is going to be gorgeous. I haven't even seen this kit, but I saw it online, but I haven't gone through this, so I'm excited to share it with you. And it looks like, I'm going to start with the papers, and this is so cool because it looks like dried paint or paint that's just been smudged. And this is from Heidi Swapp. It's called Artwalk, and that's the name of the collection. And this particular piece is called Terrace, and that is so gorgeous. I don't know if you can see. It actually looks like there is texture in there, so love that. And then the back is just a very neutral, it's got a little bit of muddling behind in the background, so it almost looks like a very clean white marble, but this is the side that I love, so I'll definitely be enjoying that. Let's see, this one is from Pink Paisley Bloom Street. This is number 13, and it looks like a ton of little labels. Miracles happen, best day ever, what matters most, daisies, enjoy the little things. I know I put in an order, a pre-order with a cherry on top for some of this collection, so I may end up getting some doubles, but I'm okay with that because I love this collection. It's so pretty, and I assumed that I would want some doubles anyway. And so this is the back side. Isn't that adorable? Just says love. I may, I want, just looking at this, I want to fussy cut it out, but I may leave it as is. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll leave it at that. So this is Jen Hadfield's. It'd be helpful if it wasn't upside down. This is from the Hey Hello collection, and this one is called Birdies. How adorable are these little birds and flowers on this light blue background? It's adorable. And then the back is just like a nice little ledger paper, which I have a ton of, so I know I'm going to enjoy this side. This side's going to be my fave. And then this is also from Heidi Swapp. This is Storyline Chapters, which must be a different collection. This particular paper is called Daily Dose, and it's got a little bucket list. And Life is Sunshine and Rainbows. I had heard that convention, Creativation, was heavy into rainbows this year. So this says, let's do this, who, what, when, where, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I say that all the time. So that's fun. And then this is just kind of a distressed diagonal pink and white stripe. But I love this side. So that's going to be my favorite. Ooh, this is also Heidi Swapp's Artwalk. I may have to look into getting some more of this. This is just adorable. I don't know how I missed this, but this is called Blues, and it's more of that messy paint background. Love it. Love it. She knocked it out of the ballpark on this. Even this side is gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a faded out, very light blue stripe on a white background, but it has some of that muddling as well. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's going to be a tough one to decide on. This is also Heidi Swapp Artwalk, and this one is called Escape, and it is a ledger paper, but it has that muddling, and it's like a very light blue with a muddled royal blue or a brighter blue. Very cute. And in the back, the B side, it looks like those old tin metal ceilings. So I can't remember what you call that, but that's what it looks like. I love this side though. That's gorgeous. So this is another one from Jen Hadfield Hey Hello collection called Yellow Roses. Makes sense, right? Good name for it. I could see myself coloring some of these, fussy cutting and coloring them. And in the back is just a lovely plaid black on white, but the black on white is like little tiny, I think the camera picks it up okay, it's just tiny little diagonals of black and white. So, super cute. A little different from the rest of the collection, but that's okay. This is Heidi Swapp Storyline Chapters, and this one's called Sunnyside. Absolutely gorgeous. I guess I missed all of the new Heidi Swapp because I've never seen this before. I am out of the loop. It's official. Gorgeous though. And then the back is a bunch of little yellow on yellow suns and dots. So tone on tone, but this side is gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the Pink Paisley Paige Evans Bloom Street page number 6 and a rainbow of hearts. And I adore this paper. Pretty sure, I would say 99% sure I ordered this paper for sure. And then the back is just a lovely green chevron, but this is the side that I love. Then this is the Heidi Swapp Storyline Chapters, and this page is called Rainbows. And it's just some really cute, it's very monochromatic in colors. It's just kind of a soft pastel coral and pink. I guess it's got some yellow, but I don't know, just visually it's very low tonality of color. Ooh, but this is the side I love. Look at that. Yeah, I can see myself ordering more of those two lines. I do want to go ahead and skip ahead to the cardstock since I'm doing paper. And we get 2 pieces of each. This one is Basil's Petal Soft, which you can see matches really well. Ooh, this bright green is pretty. Let's see if it has a name. It does not have a name or a texture. Okay. Well, I can see that matches this paper really well. And a couple of these have a little bit of green in them, but not, I don't know. This is just a really nice pop. I think they put this collection together very well. The only one I feel like is kind of out of place is this one, the Jen Hadfield, that has the yellow flowers. But for whatever reason, even though there's not a lot of green in this, I love that pop of green. This is a Basil Ocean Breeze. This is non-textured. It's just a lovely soft blue, which of course matches the blues very, very well. This is Basil's Wisteria, a lovely purple. You can see how these match so well. They really did a great job on that. This is Basil White. Everybody can use a nice white. This is Basil Stonewash. Ooh, I like this one. And I'm not that much of a blue person, but it kind of has a purple undertone to it. Stonewash is a very good name for that. And then we have this lovely soft red. It's kind of between a coral and a red color, and it is textured, but no name on it. So as you can see, it matches and goes well too, and adds that little pop. So that is the cardstock and the papers. And then we did get some American Craft thickers that, this is called Paperwork, which kind of tickles me because paperwork is something that Alan's family references on a regular basis when they're busy, so it's kind of funny. But it looks like it's a very faint print of newspaper with a little bit of muddling on some of the letters, so that's very different, very cute. This is the Jen Hadfield Icon Ephemera, her homemade collection, but it's from the Hey Hello collection. homemade series, I guess. But there's little hedgehogs, and there's like flamingos. What is that? I don't know what that is. But there's balloons and flowers, girls with braids. There's some little critters in there. If you want to take a closer look at this, I'll be more than happy to break it open for you. But the colors, of course, match very, very well. Ooh, it's already kind of split open on one side. So that's super duper cute. Oh, and I know I ordered these. This is the Bloom Street, Pink Paisley Paige Evans Bloom Street embellishments, and it's just a bunch of sweet little butterflies. Love, love the colors. Love those. And then this is American Craft Thickers Flutter, which I believe is also Bloom Street by Paige Evans. Fresh Start. I will be using that for Ella. Fun, beautiful, flutter. I like that. I'll probably do something like You Make My Heart Flutter. I think that would be a sweet title. Lots of the little rainbow colors and the pinks and the purples. And then this is Surfboard by Prima. Say It in Crystals. I haven't seen crystals like this out in a while. But I could see myself using some of these, I guess. I'll have to revisit. I've got a little drawer full of crystals and things like that. So that is the embellishments and stickers for the main kit. And I guess that does it. So I hopefully will have another video for you soon. I hope you're all home and safe and taking precaution during this scary time. No matter where you live or who you are, I only want the best for everyone, and I just really hope that you're not going to struggle during this pandemic scare. So hugs to you and your family, and I love y'all. I love that I've gotten to know some of you so well, and you know, there for a while that were not so nice to me, and I really struggled to stick with it. I almost bailed completely just to get away from the environment altogether because it was hurtful. And there's been several of you that have said, you know, where's your videos and how are you, and checking in on me, and that made me decide, you know, I'm not going to let a bad situation that occurred to me from this industry, like, I'm not going to let that stop me from sharing my passion and hopefully inspiring some of you to you know, chase your passion and do what you enjoy, and don't let anyone stop you from doing what fills your heart. So with that being said, I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now. Bye.